Can you hazard a guess where I am today? First day of March. Looking at the EasyJet airplane getting ready to take off. You can see the guys in the cockpit. I'll zoom in. There they are. Busy doing their thing. Guys, off it goes. It's amazing while some people are still in their beds. There are some people who are making the world go around, like him and him and those two gentlemen up there. We have to give honor to whom honor is due. There are some people who keep the wheels a turning. So respect due to the nurses and the doctors. Respect due to the bin men that get up early. The postmen that drop the letters through the letterboxes early in the morning. Respect due to the police officers and the fire servicemen. Respect due to all of you. Whatever country you're in, whatever part of the world you're from, I salute you. Respect. Have a nice day.